So guys, this is my normal rice that I'm boiling. So I want to take some of the water to treat my hair. Okay, so this is rice water, okay, that I'm going to be working with today. Okay, rice water helps a lot to boost your hair for hair growth, help to strengthen your hair, give it that fighter to grow. Okay, so let me first see the one that I'm going to be working with out. Did you see the rice water? So this is the one that I'm going to be using to treat my hair, guys. So guys, this is the rice water. So I am going to be working with olive oil. I am going to add a bit of olive oil to it. So that's enough. So you can also still use it once a week. It's also good to go, guys. Back to cover it for like 30 to 35 minutes before I will wash it. So thank you all for watching. See you.